come to the right place. Everyone was experience this may be tonight. The toast of the town, Chef Rémy, with a culinary masterpiece. Anyone can cook, but no one cooks like Chef Rémy.
Hopefully we can get Ratatouille Remy. Oh, rats. See, it's not too bad going single rider because it really didn't take us that long. You know, standby was about an hour. Okay, well, this will be a little quicker. Sure enough, it is. The only way to go, right?
Yeah. Oh, we need this down.
Thank you. Switch it around, and you can say hi to everybody. Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not too bad, huh? It's a great gimbal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And I've been using it for a while.
How's the battery like?
Oh, it's been great. Has an extended battery on here.
Oh. I know you. Oh, you got a friend.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Rémy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, les les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what you here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coco vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Et guys, the food is for them, not you. You. Everything must be perfect. Echo est en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
It's a trip. Thank you.
Dépêchez-vous, on va ici. Go, go.
Come on! Remy's kitchen's just around the
3 entrecôtes pour la douce. Une à point, une bleue et une saignante.
Oui, petit chef.
Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. Oui, monsieur. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Mino.
Whoa!
Yeah.
And this way, you are always welcome at Bistro Remy.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
That was great.
That was a really good one.
Here you go.
What's happening here?
That's my channel,
Oh, that's awesome.
YouTube.
Yeah, we'll definitely look it up.
Thank you. So you can go basically, you'll be on there. You can say, hold on. Say hi to everybody.
Be yourself adventures.
Rocks.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's pretty awesome.
What do you guys think of the ride?
That was pretty good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you.